Should we just pull anchor? It's gonna calm down tonight. I know the camera never does it justice, but this is where I'm anchored. The ducks have taken over. He's gonna calm down right after sunset. So we're stuck in the trough until the wind dies down or the current dies down, or one picks up or the other picks up. So that's Molokai behind me. And there's duck. I'll put the camera level on the solar panel. Maybe it shows the rocking more. Oh, they're getting trained. No, they put only on the sheet. But don't look at it. I'll clean it. Here, hold this. I'll clean it.
Okay.
I don't want you to get upset that there's duck food. I've anchored it worse than this, but this, if something doesn't change, then we might pull anchor, but it won't look like this tomorrow. This is light trade winds. That's the only way we can even be right here is light trade winds.
I tell you this, and you just that is 5 hours, and you're like, no, it's getting better.
It's getting nicer whenever we turned into it. We didn't even feel this earlier. It wasn't as big though.
Look at that.
It's calming down. What's crazy is it's really not that crazy for us to do this. So the reward is worth it. Most of the time, yeah. I've been doing too much working and learning all about the YouTube thing and the editing and the videos and then the cryptocurrency. I learned about that. So now we're back to getting stuff done on the boat that we kind of put off. We're back now into it now. So 2 foot, I mean, you can maybe call these threes. You can call these threes. We're not in a surf break. There's no surf over here. Pay attention.
The anchor besides you.
Well,
Nobody.
there's a weather window now this week. It's lighter winds. Starting tonight, it says after midnight. So I just got to trick Larissa into thinking sunset is midnight. We don't fit in. What'd you just say? We are not the yachty type.
Look at us, it's chaos.
That one wave was kind of big. They woke the ducks up. But we have to swing around with the current, so we're side seas. But right when I turned the camera off, we had a couple really big sets. They're trying to go back in the cage. I got my ducks and I got my girl in the end. Oh. Should we just pull anchor? I'm trying to keep the camera level on shore. force on the rudder. It looks like it's laying down. Our other herbs and that oval plant are doing really good. It's just a lot of force. That current's trying to rip us over there, but the waves are hitting our left side.
What if you turn the wheel?
I thought about it. So turn it all the way to the right and see what happens. It's.
You can't get there. Can you do
Oh, I'll do it. All right, yeah, I thought about it. Let's just see if we turn it all the way to the left. Let's just see what happens. But might be enough to let it swing around. So let's turn it all the way to the right. We can pull anchor and go around the corner, but it's just like we're here, you know. It's gonna die down. It's already laying down. I mean, look, we're not. I mean, the mast is still like perpendicular to the ocean, pretty much.